no. I must tell you that all of us love Tamil cinema. So it is not out of a lack of desire to be part of the Tamil film industry, and in an emotional way, I think all of us already feel a part of it. I have very high regard for filmmakers from here, actors from here, actresses, talent from here. And I have had the opportunity of working with a lot of people from Tamil Nadu. A.R. Rahman I've worked with many times. I've worked closely with Ravi Chandran. I think one of the big things is that language is something that we would find it difficult to perform in a language which we are not aware of. It could be Tamil, it could be Telugu, it could be French. If the language is something you don't know, then for an actor it becomes extremely difficult. Some people are able to overcome that. Some actors are quite natural with picking up languages quickly. Unfortunately, I'm not one of those. And if there's ever a script, in the Tamil film industry, which requires me to play a character who does not know Tamil, then I think I would fit right into it.
The one thing I've noticed about South Indian units is they work very fast. I've not only worked with Mani and Ramu, I've worked with the late Jiva. We made a film called Run. I've worked with Revati ji. I did a film with her. I've done a lot of shooting in Chennai and around Tamil Nadu, and I enjoy it very much. And I think the only thing I've noticed is the South Indian units never sit down. Unless the tiffin comes, then everybody has to break. And we have to eat our tiffin. But apart from that, I've enjoyed working a lot over here. I continue to. They are all have a bit of apprehension. I'd love to do a movie here. If any of you are producers, I'm available. I'm dying to do a movie. I keep telling Mani, I keep telling Kenny sir, my friend, all my friends, they say, please, I'd love to do a film. I'm dying to do a Tamil film.
No, actually, it's funny you say that, because my last film, Jab Tak Hai Jaan, which was Yashji's film, me and Anushka Sharma were both co-starring in the film. And we actually, I'll tell you honestly, I love Shah Rukh, but as much as, as few days as we had together in the film, some of my best days on the set were the days when me and Anushka had scenes together. And since then, we stay on and off in touch, and I would say, we get along really well. I made a, nice friend. So I don't think so. A lot of it is just speculation, I think, maybe. Maybe people are presuming, but I don't think there's anything like that. I think the guys fight more. I think he's wrong. Yeah, you're wrong.
Okay, come on with that. Let me assure you that you're mistaken. Deepika is having a party on the 21st, and the first name on the guest list was Katrina. I happen to be a witness of that. Oh, I'm a big fan of Rajni sir. I've been his fan since I watched him in 2 of his Hindi films many years ago. And then I had the pleasure of working with him. We did a film called Atanki Atank many years ago. I had just entered the film industry. And the way he behaved, the way he was as a human being, just how he is as a human being, had a deep impact on me. He was so warm and loving and non-star-like, extremely punctual, extremely, he knew all his lines at all times. He was a thorough professional, was always in a good mood. So I was looking at him and I was really amazed. And it was a great experience working with him.
Love is a must. You have to have love. Otherwise, it's just action, boys, and you have to have something for the boys besides the action. So there has to be love. How much love? With who is the love? Abhishek, Uday, me, Amer. What kind of love? That you have, I think, only 2 more days. 2 more days. Please come, see it. Let us know. Let Victor sir know if you liked it, because he wrote the film.